friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see smart money concept using ADX. So let's check. This is my ADX setup, you can see. So we are using 3-minute time frame. So basically we are going to take trade in 1 minute, but we are going to check the levels in 3 minutes so that we get the right idea. So we are taking for 8th. Today is 8th. Okay, so we are going to check the values for ADX only, which is above 40. Okay, so let's get started. So the first off is 8th. By default, a previous day close and today's open will have smart money. Okay, so now here you see it was going up, so that means 2x times they are pushing up, but then it took resistance. Okay, so the buyers are getting a little bit stronger, and then the second was here. So second upside, it took resistance. Okay, so whichever side it's going, we have to take when the ADX reaches the peak, that is 40, we have to do the opposite trade. So these are the levels for Nifty. So the buyers are strong and sellers stop loss has been hunt. Okay, now we'll go to next, that is Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty, and again today it is an inside candle. Okay, so we are going to check just today's levels. 8th. So this was the high for today's and this was the low, and market not even once it actually touched or came in the downside direction. Okay, so now let's just analyze. So by default the open candle, so 8th will have smart money. The next spike is here, so if it's going up we are going to take from the downside, and then the next spike it didn't react, so it was a resistance. The last was here, it was taking support. So the zone is 5900 and between 5200 5100. Okay, so this is the tight zone for today's BTST traders. Okay, now this is Fin Nifty and it had expiry, and which was extremely sideways, as you could see. Okay, so during sideways, when the OI you check, you can find the sideways. That time the ADX won't work that much. So see, it took resistance here, and then this took the opposite side. So by default they will be sitting in the open and low. The last it was high, so last here the buyers would have entered the market. Okay, now this is mid cap Nifty and it was trending. So this was today's range. So understand, whenever Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty are having sideways, mid cap will definitely make a big move. Okay, so by default open and previous day's close will have smart money. It peaked here, so see resistance, again it peaked here, again took the resistance, but the sellers SL has been hunt. So I think the new buyers here, whoever entered, would be active here. Okay, now we'll go to Reliance 3 minutes chart and we'll try to arrange. So it is trying to do a breakout but still in the previous zone. So this is today's open and this is previous day's close. So here by default smart money will be very active. So here they try to push up, and then again here push down, then here push down, and then SL has been hunt. So I think downside they will be present and they are adding the position. So they will add little by little, and that's how the ADX also works and shows that which levels they are adding the money. Okay, and here is today's level for HDFC, which is very bullish. Okay, so 8th the open position they will be active. So first peak here, so they have been rejected. Second peak here, and there shows the rejection. So it's a tight zone, so buyers stop loss are available tomorrow. So let's check. During downtrend buyers stop loss is very important. So this is ICICI Bank again. So it was an inside candle for ICICI Bank. So you see this was the smallest range, and then 8th no spike at all, just one time here it just push the market in the downside. Okay, so here the sellers are active a little bit, but otherwise it's looking sideways. So during sideways market, ADX won't pop up. So by that we can understand that okay, it's going to be sideways. So this is Kotak trying to find the zone. Okay, so now let's just adjust to today's low and high. So it was an inside candle again. Let me just do more analysis. So today is 8th and one spike is seen here. So the sellers are active here, this source. And the points you have to remember, the zone you have to remember is 81820, which is the seller's zone. Okay, now the last is S-pin 3 minutes. Let's just try to adjust. Okay, so there is no support and resistance, so let me just add a support and resistance. Okay, so first off is here, second off is 8. Okay, so here you could clearly see 40. No, nothing was touching 40, but these two spikes is very observable. So the buyer's active zone has been deciding factor here. So support is increasing in S-pin. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. Now we'll move to the second segment. So we will compare 3 minutes chart for Bank Nifty with HDFC as well as ICICI Bank to check the support and resistance if that is working or not. Okay, so here is 8th chart. So here is 8th chart and here is 8th chart, as you could see here. So first open. First resistance here ICICI Bank was facing and Bank Nifty was also facing, but HDFC was keep on going. It just went, and the second resistance here Bank Nifty, HDFC and ICICI, 3 of them were facing. Okay, so here the support of ICICI has been observed in the Bank Nifty. So yeah, that's it. It was respecting. So yeah, I told you, like some days HDFC and ICICI will be having the same chart pattern, while other days they will be moving in a different zone. So when they move differently, understand that it's going to be a sideways day. So this is a little bit a small trick to understand the market. Okay, yeah, thank you. Keep supporting.